it's Yana and I'm back today with yet another video. Right now we're on a little adventure outside, but right after this I'm gonna get my little puppy Arthur to try out all different sorts of veggies and see which vegetables he loves the most. So far the only vegetables he's had are the ones that come in his dog food. I think he's had like cucumbers and carrots, but nothing too crazy. So I'm super excited to see his reaction. He's about to get introduced to a whole new world of food that he's never had before. It's about to be so cute. Before we get started though, I really wanted to show you guys Arthur's first time enjoying a pup cup. Arthur had a vaccine appointment the other day and I really wanted to make him feel better by giving him his first pup cup from Starbucks, and he loved it so much, but he's so tiny that he couldn't even finish it. So here's the most adorable clip of Arthur eating a pup cup. Alright, now that you've seen that, we're gonna go back inside and let Arthur try all different sorts of veggies. It's also pretty freaking cold in Canada. I should have worn a jacket. I really do miss LA weather because Toronto weather right now is brutal. It is still way too cold. Alright, so the very first thing Arthur is gonna try are cherry tomatoes. He's definitely had these before and he loves them. Okay, next I'm gonna give him bell pepper, which he's already freaking out about and he's never had before. So I think he's gonna like this one. Okay, calm down, calm down. Arthur, wait. Here you go. Bell pepper. Okay, so for this next one, he's absolutely losing his mind, but it's onions. He's never had onions. I don't know why he wants them so bad, but let's see. Here. Ew. Why is he eating it? What? Oh, you don't like it? Oh my god, he actually kind of likes onion. Why do you like onion? That's weird. Ew. Okay, that's enough for him. I don't really want him to be eating a lot of onion. His breath is gonna smell so bad. Not that it already doesn't, because it does. All right, next on the menu for King Arthur is celery. Celery sounds so uninteresting, but he is losing his mind over it. Let's see what baby Arthur thinks about celery. You like celery? You like it or you don't like it? You can't decide? I think he likes the flower of the celery more than like the bottom part. Alright, next up on the menu for baby Artie is carrots. Arthur has had cooked carrots, but he's never had raw carrots. Raw carrots are pretty boring, so I don't know if he's gonna like them. But honestly, this guy likes celery and onions, so I wouldn't be surprised. Carrot time. is also extremely underwhelming. It's lettuce and he wants to try it so bad. I think Arthur is just into really boring food. This guy has no taste, okay? He just wants lettuce, carrots, and onions. Alright, and last but definitely not least, cucumber. Arthur is about to have some cucumbers. He loves cucumbers. Oh my god, I really do think cucumber is his favorite. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below if you want to see Arthur try fruits. He hasn't had nearly as many fruits as he's had vegetables, so I think that video would be really interesting and also really adorable. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye!